Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to set up ring light easy method. Mount the stand on a flat surface, tighten the knobs, attach the ring head, and secure the phone holder. Plug the power adapter into a stable outlet and power on the light. Use the brightness and color temperature controls to set soft, flattering light for your subject. Position the ring at eye level and angle the light for even coverage. Start by assembling the tripod and extending the center column to your desired height. Secure each locking collar and test stability before mounting the ring. Insert the power cable and tuck excess cord away to avoid tripping or pulling. Attach your phone or camera in the holder and tighten the grip gently. Adjust the dimmer and color settings while watching the preview to find the most flattering balance for skin tones and scene. If you are enjoying this video, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker I mentioned earlier. It makes setup playlists and timers effortless. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can get one too. Thanks for the support and short pause here. Now let's get back to the video. Place the ring light about 2 to 3 feet from your subject to achieve soft, even illumination. Use a diffuser or soft cloth to reduce hot spots and harsh shadows when needed. Check your camera white balance and lock it after you set the light to prevent color shifts. Experiment with fill lights or reflectors to lift shadows under the chin. Keep movements minimal during recording and periodically verify framing and exposure.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.